First, line up your polar fleece, and then line it up, and then smooth it out. Now I have an 18 by 24 cardboard piece. It does not have to be exact, and I'm going to use it as a template. You can cut these by hand, but electric scissors are nice to have. Okay. Now you have to cut all the way across. Now we're going to cut the edges, but I'm going to closer to the cardboard because this edge is really ugly, but on this side you can be a little bit looser. Okay. Keep the extra pieces because you might be able to make a dog mat for the Humane Society. For this edge, we can go a little bit farther away from the cardboard because, the seams are not as ugly. So if you want to maximize, you can go in between the pieces or you can go right along them. I'm going to go right along them. And remember, keep the scraps. So now we no longer need the template. This is a 4x4 square that we're going to use as a guide for all 4 corners. Ready? Now I'm cutting 1-inch strips along all the sides. I have 2 different patterns and I would like to mix them, so I'll take off the top layer. And you see now I have 2 different patterns. So I'll take the top one of this side and then the top one of this side and put them together and start tying the knots. I'm going to put this one on top of this one because the cuts match. Once you're done tying knots all around, this is what it should look like and you're done!